This is a very difficult trek. I'm not a trek person and I will never be. Worth the view, worth the view. Average snowfall. This fucking place, which I absolutely hate. Stranded. हमारी बाइक बंद हो गई है 6.8 किलोमीटर उतर के जाना पड़ेगा लास्ट डे इन कसौल वी आर गोइंग टू मनाली टुडे सुसु ब्रेक वॉशरूम ब्रेक भाई यहाँ का नज़ारा दिखाती हूँ मैं नज़ारा देख लो आई थिंक ऐसा कुल्लू में भी होता है ना या कुल्लू इज लिटरली सो गुड सो प्रिटी Oh, we didn't do fit check today. Fit check. Wearing cargo pants. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's day 2. Day 3. We're in Manali. But day 2 of trekking. And this is a very difficult trek. If you can see. But we're going to the place where YGHD was shot. Look at how big these steps are, and I've been climbing them since the past 20 minutes. But the views are insane. Like these views are just too good. And oh my god, every step taken for the views are going to be all worth it. That's why I'm doing it. I'm not a trek person and I will never be. I don't like treks, but if it's for the view and if it's not raining, I don't mind. I don't have any company. I'm my own company. I have my earphones on, give my own thoughts, playing songs that will cheer me up. But yes, we're supposed to make it to the point. I'm sorry, I can't breathe, I'm out of breath. But yeah, I'm trying. Okay, look at the view. It's insane. Do you see this? It's so good. Let's go. We're so close. We're so close. Let's go.
Gutsy, bro.
So good.
Take a breath.
Oh.
Hello, vlog. What's up?
Like, you see it there? Wow, unreal. Chalo, let's go, guys. We made it. We made it. Do you see this? Oh. It is so good. It is so good. Let's go. Everything's numb. Not wearing anything. It's so cold here. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but it's very cold here. This is the end of our trek, and killed it. Worth the view. Worth the view. No, worth every steps that we've taken to reach here and to watch this sunset. This is crazy. Crazy as crazy. Let's go! We made it, guys. Finally. How do you all feel?
Amazing, worth it.
भाई हम तो बहुत सही व्यू से आए तुम लोग तो बहुत
उधर से आई.
अरे तू मेरे ब्लॉग पे देखना बहुत सही व्यू आया
Okay. Bye.
My hands are numb. Good morning, happy new year. It is officially 1st Jan and I didn't vlog anything yesterday night because we were all partying and there was like a lot of loud music here. But I wish you a very happy new year. May 2025 be the best year for everyone. Lots of love, positivity, happiness to you from me. We are in Manali and the view, the amount of times I've said view in this vlog is insane because the view is genuinely good. I don't know if you can see it behind me, but it's just so pretty. And the resort that we're staying in is also so good. We have the river view from our room as well. and it's currently 10. We're leaving for Solang Valley, going in the ice. This is what I'm wearing. Obviously, all pictures will be on Instagram. Go follow me there. I'll show you the view quickly. This is where we are staying. This is the Shirar Resort and Spa. And this is what we see from our rooms as well. There is a very big lawn area over here where our party happened last night. This is the whole river side. The skies are so pretty here and it's so clear. So it's genuinely pretty. I'm so happy I did the mountains for my New Year's because I had that on my vision board since a really long time, and I have a tattoo for mountains, so I had to do it. And I wanted to do a chill one, so I chose Manali Kasol, and genuinely it's worth every view, every trek that we've done here was worth it because the views are insane. And today the place that we're going to, the Solang Valley, it's so pretty. Like, I still cannot wait to go there. It's going to be shit cold. It's currently 3 degrees here, but because that's why I'm standing in the sun, because it feels good here. I'm vlogging the whole entire thing for you guys. I'm not doing any Instagram content because I want to vlog and I want to show you all how beautiful this is, because no short format Instagram content can make up to what I'm seeing with my own eyes right now. So we need a whole ass YouTube vlog for this. Let's go! We were stuck for almost 4 or 5 hours now. So we're going to Solang Valley now. And it's shit traffic. Like shit traffic. The cars aren't moving. We finally made it to Solang Valley after 6-7 hours.
I know, right?
And we're eating Maggi. Woohoo! Let's go! This fucking place, which I absolutely hate. I'm so irritated, but I think Maggi would make up for it. Let's move in. How irritated are you guys?
Very. Oh my god, like. This feels like 2 days, this entire day. But let's just enjoy some.
She's done. She's done. And you guys?
What do we say?
Ayon, huh?
What do we say?
Can I say?
How irritated are you all?
I honestly like the
Bike
bike
ride.
ride, the scooty ride.
Even we enjoyed that.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Let's
Here,
go.
guys. Let's play now, yaar.
Let's play. वो करना. Snowfall. निकलते हैं भाई. It's a war between 2 teams, and we're all getting super serious. Another 2 hours to get us down. Zenisha. Hi. Stranded. हमारी बाइक बंद हो गई है.
पेट्रोल खत्म.
Petrol is over, bike over. We also got lift from someone who gave us petrol right now, and it's freezing cold, but we are saved. I think we are saved, and we're stranded. Luckily my friends were behind. कोई क्या सीन है? अगर ज़ेनिशा नहीं होती ना, ये लोग नहीं होते पीछे, तो हम अटक जाते. We would have been really struck because there's no one, there are no lights here. And I'm freezing, bro. But let's go. I hope this works out. We are stranded. हुई?
चाबी
Yes, no?
क्या करके डालो एक बार.
नहीं हो रहा?
हाँ, मोटर. क्योंकि आगे स्टार्ट ना तो जब पेट्रोल नहीं तो स्टार्ट.
एक काम करते हैं, धक्का मारते हैं.
थोड़ा लाइट तो आनी चाहिए, वो खड़खड़ भी नहीं हो रहा.
बैटरी
तो होगी, बस ठंडा पड़ गया होगा ऐसे.
मम्मा अब ये 6.8 किलोमीटर उतर के जाना पड़ेगा धक्का मार के. चलो हम मिलते हैं धक्का मार के. We're at Mall Road. It's cold. बहुत ठंडा है यार. Very cold. And no points for guessing. We are eating momos. How's it? Try it on camera. This is too good. It's nice. Huh? Yum?
9 on 10.
9 on 10?
9 on 10, yeah.
Manali momos. Good job.
Must do, must do.
Must है. This is the steam momo is also really good. Chutney अच्छी है bro.
Hi guys, we are on our way to paragliding. We woke up at 7.
You woke up at 7.
God,
We are woken up at 6:15. So we are all ready to go to paragliding.
हेलो गाइस,
आपका नाम बता दो.
माय नेम इज जय.
हाँ, और ये लो आपका GoPro. थैंक यू. आपने बहुत अच्छा करवाया, मज़ा करवाया. मैं फिर आऊँगी आपके पास. ओके, थैंक यू भैया. बाय भैया. हाय गाइस, बैक फ्रॉम पैराग्लाइडिंग. Took some rest, packed our bags because we have to check out. It's my last day here in Manali. I am going back home. We still have to do one more place, which is Amritsar. We're going to Amritsar tomorrow. And it's going to be my first time. But yes, coming back to the paragliding experience, I think for me, I did it for the first time and I did it in the mountains. For me, it was an amazing experience. The view was okay, decent, but it could have obviously been better, but depends on location to location. Now, if you do paragliding at Bir, you would get like a full snowy location. So यहाँ पे जो था, it was like average. View-wise, it was like average. Because I've done the zipline in Dubai and that view was amazing. So nobody can beat that view yet. But okay, as an experience for paragliding, for me, for the first time, it was like really good. My guy was really good. We had like conversations. He was telling me, and then we were like chatting, and he was like, "You don't be scared. मेरे पे भरोसा है." I'm like, "Yes, uncle, भैया भरोसा है इसलिए तो मैं उड़ रही हूँ आपके साथ." But yes, paragliding was fun. Currently checking out, going for river rafting now. I don't know how much I will be able to vlog there because I can't use my phone every time. And last day in Manali, I am so sad. This is my fit. I am wearing jacket, black and black. I have dared to wear a half sleeves top without any thermals because we are going for river rafting, so it might get wet and all. I'm wearing leather pants, shoes, bag तो है ही, jacket तो है ही. तो अब चलते हैं. I'll see you at river rafting. Stop 1 in Amritsar. First impression, lassi. नहीं अच्छी, नहीं अच्छी. साड़ी कुर्ता. ये चलने में छोड़ने नहीं.
next level. मैं तो कुछ भी खा ही नहीं हूँ.
मसाले कम है.
अच्छा है यार.
मसाले बहुत
Enough
कम है.
stuffing है.
मसाले बहुत कम है और छोले कुलचा too good. Average? क्यों सब आज सब डिसअपॉइंट क्यों कर रहे हैं? Hi guys, I'm at the Delhi airport and our trip is finally over. Yesterday we were in Amritsar and we left at around 7 p.m. I had one of the best travel, the most comfiest travel. We had a sleeper bus. so I've just slept. Trip has come to an end. I hope y'all liked watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, like. Bye. See y'all.